Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another great video. In today's video we're going to be looking at this happens to be one of the best things that I bought from wish.com, and today I'm going to be showing you why. So first up, I bought this is interior cleaning product that actually came in the package labeled as a keyboard cleaner. I'm not sure how you'd use this to clean your keyboard, but that's what it came at. So first up, it has these 3 fins in the front which can be used to clean your interior air vents, which I find gets dirty very quickly but makes it extremely hard to clean just because my cloth or my brush is not going to fit in. However, if you look at the bottom, you're going to see that it has a brush. Now these bristles are hard, but it's not so hard that it will scratch anything in the interior, which is a good plus. In between these fins, they have these microfiber like cloth which can actually be removed so that it can be cleaned. So when using this thing, I found that it's actually quite effective in actually cleaning all the small gaps in between the interior panels with the brush and cleaning my air vents. Although it's not able to get right inside, it is cleaning it pretty well. Yes, this is worth it, especially because it's free on wish.com, so you only pay the shipping charges of $2 to $3. Links are in the description below. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more daily content. Until next time.